Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let me take you to the special news. Israel orders unprecedented evacuation of 1 million in Gaza as possible ground offensive looms. Israel's military told some 1 million Palestinians on Friday to evacuate northern Gaza and head to the southern part of the besieged territory, an unprecedented order applying to almost half the population ahead of the expected ground invasion against the ruling Hamas militant group. Justin Trudeau condemns Hamas invasion of Israel but stops short of denouncing Israel's blockade of Gaza. In Canada, the US and other allies of Israel walked a fine line Thursday between backing Israel's right to defend against Hamas attacks and calling for protection of civilian life, including Palestinians living in Gaza under intense retaliatory bombardment. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau condemned Saturday's invasion and brutal murder of civilians by Hamas, a terrorist organization that he said violated all international laws and norms, including taking innocent hostages into Gaza and using them as pawns in a game of terror. U.S. Defense Secretary is in Israel to meet with its leaders and see America's security assistance. U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin was in Israel on Friday for meeting with senior government leaders and to see firsthand some of the U.S. weapons and security assistance that Washington rapidly delivered to Israel in the first week of its war with the militant Hamas group. Austin is the second high-level U.S. official to visit Israel in 2 days. His quick trip from Brussels, where he was attending a NATO defense ministers' meeting, came a day after Secretary of State Antony Blinken arrived in the region. Blinken is continuing the frantic Mideast diplomacy seeking to avert an expanded regional conflict. NATO chief presses Turkey to advance Sweden's membership application. NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg on Thursday pressed Turkey to quickly ratify Sweden's membership in the military organization 3 months after President Tayyip Erdogan said he would help hasten the process in the Turkish parliament. Many allies would like to see speedy progress on this ratification, Stoltenberg told the Associated Press after chairing a meeting to NATO defense minister in Brussels. Sweden has delivered on what they promised, and now we need the rectification of Swedish membership. El Salvador is gradually filling its new mega prison with the alleged gang members. With tattoo-covered faces and wearing white shirts and shorts, gang members captured during El Salvador's state of exception are gradually filling the country's new mega prison. Unveiled earlier this year, the prison 45 miles, 72 kilometers southeast of the capital now holds some 12,000 accused or convicted gang members, barely a quarter of its 40,000 capacity. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.